Okay, okay. Are you okay? Okay, okay. No problem. Very beautiful.
Dang, my phone is out of battery.
Well, your stupid charging cable. Look how hot your phone is. Ah! It could explode. Oh, it's not a Samsung. Okay, it's fine. Well, still, it's not good for your battery life. Try this cable instead. 240 watts fast charging. 240 watts fast charging means that you can charge any device that you have at maximum speeds at all times.
Oh.
And the cable is 4-in-1, making it compatible with any device that you have, for old iPhone, new iPhone, Android, Samsung, whatever you have. Now, it is also extremely durable with zinc alloy connectors and a liquid silicone cable. You can pull it, bend it, twist it, nothing's gonna happen to it. And it comes with a travel bag from MagicJohn, a free gift from us, and there are 2 colors available. Now, if you like this product, you can click the yellow card and purchase yours now.